Now these are levels, bro. So now we are going to be entering our trade in each of these lines. Make sure you enter your trade. Let me delete all this. I'll show you how I find this trade to enter.
Guys, YouTube have notified me that 70% of people watching my video are not my subscribers. Please, if this video is passing you any information, do well to subscribe, guy. You know, go cost you anything. Subscribe.
These are the trades we are going to be entering this line. Now let's take for example this line. Let me box it, let me draw it, let me show you how I enter this trade. Now look at this trade. This is where I enter my trade. I enter my trade in every level. These are the places I find entry. I will wait for a reversal to enter my trade. Now look at it. Look at points to enter for sell. Then look at, there's a break of structure in this place. Then we wait for a pullback. Now a pullback did not reach to this place. It did not reach to this zone here, this level here, but you still see a break of structure. Then you still see a place to enter in this zone. So this, look at what is happening. Look at double top, and you see, look at the opportunity to enter in this zone. There are different opportunities. Look at, most of the movement happen from the zone. That is why you need to enter from the zone. You need to find entry from the zone. So these are places I find my entry in most of my trading, and in almost all the pairs move 100 pip a day. So you need to draw your zone every 100 pip. You need to count every 100 pip. So this is how I analyze my own market. Most of the times I enter my market every 100 pip, every 100 pip. And this is the 15-minute time frame under the gold. Under gold, look at 100 pip. Something must happen every 100 pip. If you check your market very well, you see that something happen every 100 pip. You see, things do happen every 100 pip.